In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a wallet with a recovery phrase. Before we begin, make sure you have 3 things ready. Your 12-word or 24-word recovery phrase, a trusted wallet app or browser extension installed on a secure private device, and a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. A quick but vital reminder: anyone with your recovery phrase can access your wallet and move your funds. Never share it with anyone, and never type it on random websites or in chats. Start by installing the wallet app or extension from the official source. Use the official website, your device's app store, or the browser's extension store. Avoid ads and third-party links, even if they look convincing. To make this simple, I've placed the official download and website link right at the top of the description, so you can grab it safely. Once it's installed, open the wallet. On the welcome screen, look for the option that says Restore Wallet or Import Existing Wallet. Select that to begin the recovery process. When you're asked how you want to restore, choose Recovery Phrase. Confirm that the wallet expects the same type of phrase you have, either 12 words or 24 words, so everything matches exactly. Now carefully enter your recovery phrase in the exact order it was given to you. Take your time here. Check spelling, spacing, and the sequence of each word before continuing. If your wallet supports it, use a secure input method and make sure no one can see your screen. This is the most important step, so double check before you proceed. After your phrase is accepted, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Set a strong password that you can remember. This password only protects access on this device. It does not replace your recovery phrase and can be changed later if needed. Finish the restore process by confirming the details and completing setup. Your wallet will begin syncing. Give it a moment, and you should see your balances, tokens, and NFTs appear as the wallet loads data from the network. After restoring, verify your assets. Make sure your cryptocurrencies and NFTs are visible. Some networks and tokens may take a little time to populate, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. Finally, secure your wallet. Store your recovery phrase offline, such as on paper or a dedicated hardware backup. Never share it, never enter it on websites, and always review transaction details carefully before approving anything. That's it. You've successfully restored your wallet with a recovery phrase. Thanks for watching.